Good morning everyone. Today topic is phase diagram of YBA CO system. It is also named as 123 material and also called as YBA2 CO3O7 minus delta. This concept is very important for the semester exam. For that, the temperature is taking on y-axis and stoichiometric oxygen composition is taking on x-axis. If the delta value is less than 0.7, those materials act as superconducting material which have orthorhombic structure. If the delta value is more than 0.7, those material acts as insulators and they have tetragonal structure and antiferromagnetic under the Néel temperature. Most of the high TC oxide materials are structurally and chemically very complex. In certain cases, the atomic structure and electronic properties depends on the oxygen stoichiometric, but the phase diagram of YBO system, for the values of oxygen delta is less than or equals to 0.7, the material has an orthorhombic structure and is a superconducting material. But for the values of delta greater than or equals to 0.7, the material transforms into electric insulator with a tetragonal structure and antiferromagnetic behavior below the Néel temperature. This is regarding phase diagram of YBA CO system. Next topic is crystal structure of YBA2 CO3O7 minus X system. This topic is very important for the long question. So we have one diagram for the YBA2 CO3O7 minus delta. It is unit cell of the YBA CO system, where the plus charge indicates yttrium atom, dot indicates barium atom, 0 indicates oxygen atom. The plus means yttrium atoms present on the planes of the cubical structure and O1, O2, O3, O4, O5 oxygen atoms on the oxygen sides of the unit cell of the YBA CO system, and also CuO2 planes are layers present on the XY planes, and dots indicates barium atom present on the corners of the cubical structure. The structure of YBA CO system can be explained from the simple perovskite general formula AbO3 as AbO3 is multiplied with 3, it results A3B3O9. By eliminating 2 oxygens from this formula, we get A3B3O7. A indicates 2 atoms such as yttrium, barium. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Total 3 atoms for the A ion. B3, second ion is B. It also contains 3 Cu3. O7 minus delta is as it is. Now, for orthorhombic superconducting material, O5 sites are unoccupied. For the tetragonal insulating compound, O5 sites are also unoccupied. The CuO2 planes containing layers in the XY plane are the chains of linked CuO2 square planar unit. For delta is equal to 0, the structure of YBA CO system can be understood as an oxygen deficient modification of the cubic perovskite structure, calcium titanium oxygen with about 1/3 of oxygen sites missing, and the unit cell tripled in the Z direction. The structure changes that occur for YBO CO system as delta is varied between 0 and 1. Then the composition of YBA2 CO3O6, where delta is equal to 1, has the oxygen atom sites O4 and O5 unfilled, and hence the structure is tetragonal. The square planar CuO2 layers are clearly evident for the structure. And in YBO system, the 2 CuO2 layers are planes for the unit cell lying in the XY planes are separated by the yttrium ions. The former YBA2 CO3O6 can be written in terms of formal changes on the ions as y plus 3 Ba plus 2 taken twice and Ca plus 2 taken twice, Cu plus O minus 2 taken 6. The two Ce plus 2 ions occupy the CuO2 layers in the xy planes, and Cu plus ion twofold coordinated along the z direction in accordance with usual coordination for Cu plus 2. Since the copper has the electronic configuration argon 3d10 4s1, copper atomic number is 29, argon atomic number is 18, 18 plus 10 28 plus 1 29. Cu plus 2 ions have an unpaired electrons and electron spin, and these spins ordered antiferromagnetically in the insulating site if delta is greater than or equals to 0.7. And excess oxygens added to YbA2Cu3O6 to form YbA2Cu3O7 minus delta. The extra oxygen atoms randomly occupy the sites O4 and O5, and hence the material remains its tetragonal symmetry. The additional electronegative oxygen atoms acts like acceptor in covalent semiconductors and dope the crystal by injecting by excess holes. These extra holes besides instates with the CuO2 layers, but for delta is greater than or equals to 0.7, the material remains an electrical insulator. So this is regarding the crystal structure of YbA CO system. Thank you.